The Honorable Dr. Gennaro W. Hapos, the President of Philippine Associations of Institutional for Research, the outstanding our keynote speakers today, Dr. Huzzam Azam Muhammad El Zaman and Sir Muhammad Ali H. Emeritus, distinguished delegations, and all the participants of the 4th of Asia Pacific Conference on Interdisciplinary Research in 2020. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and peace be unto you. As the President of Asia Associations for Interdisciplinary Research and also the organizer of 4th of ASEAN Pacific Conference in Interdisciplinary Research, let me express my gratitude to all of you. First of all, it is my pleasure to welcome you all in the night of virtual conference. May God bless us with healthy. Amen. Corona outbreak has spread all over the world. This pandemic has had an impact in various areas of our life. In addition, the impact of the pandemics, and also we don't know exactly when the pandemic will end. Therefore, we have also been in the situations of volatile complexity and ambiguity and also uncertainty. This is a very complex situation. Due to such of a condition, most of our activities are hampered, including doing a research. As the researchers, of course, we are expected to be able to conduct research that provide valuable solutions for our community. We are even challenged to be more productive to the research with interdisciplinary approach so that we can provide a comprehensive solutions during the pandemic to our community and to our nations. Referring to Abians and Alois Harcomers in a journal Advanced Optical Technology, Interdisciplinary Research is a very essential. Why interdisciplinary research is very essential? First, that a single discipline research is not suitable for solving complex problems anymore. The second, discoveries and advantages in research and developments are more likely to happen and progress between multiple specific fields. Finally, and most importantly, the interaction between researchers from different disciplines benefits each of individual and broaden their horizons. Therefore, in the conference, we can learn how to solve the complex problem and situation in our life by using interdisciplinary approach. The theme chosen for this conference is Research Productivity in Challenging Times, the appropriate theme for the providing solution for the pandemic's age. Many researchers will be presented by the excellent researchers here, and I do believe that it can make a conference more fruitful for all the participants. I do believe that all success of the conference, of course, to all supports by all parties involved. Therefore, as the President of ASEAN Association for Interdisciplinary Research, I would like to again and again to express my high appreciation and thank you to all keynote speakers today, Dr. Huzzam Azam Muhammad El Zaman and Sir Muhammad Ali A.H. Marichar, who inspires us for conducting research that provides an excellent solution to various problems. All partners who have provided the support of this effort. And for our President, Dr. Gennaro W. Hapos, the President of Filipino Associations of Institutional for Research, and also for all the participants of this conference. We hope that all delegation would get a benefit from this conference, and let's collaborate together for doing research. No research without action, and no action without research. There's a quotation from Kurt Lewin, the prominent of social psychologists. And if we conduct a fruitful of research, so it means that we also create a new knowledge. Thank you very much, and may God bless on this conference. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning.